Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, ohun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
You people are pranking me.
Last 4 set of twins, and the only surviving one.
Still on the death of Nollywood Yoruba actor Alhaji Taiwo Hassan Ogogo, as more tears are still pouring in the industry right now from celebrities, actors, singers, and so much more. Even Malaika just made a tribute song for Ogogo, and K1 Ultimate, and so much more. I'm going to be putting in this video, and of course the actress's reaction to the death of Ogogo and Kira Taiwo, who can't seem to believe this shocking news.
You people are pranking me. Prank kò jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ láti mi. Prank mo ṣàrí everywhere dáwọ́ pè mí. Mo bínú sí mi just ṣe dáadáa ni. Call me back and tell me it's a prank. And everybody's mad. Call me back and tell me it's a prank.
BOJU wrote, "This hits differently. The industry lost a legend, but heaven gained an angel. My deepest condolences to his entire family. You were a great man. My boss, your legacy will never die. Adieu till we meet again." Even Princess Comedian said, "May his soul rest in peace." Nkechi Blessing also wrote a very emotional piece and shared pictures with Ogogo and wrote, "Death is cruel. On that 15 hours long flight, I prayed, I cried, and I asked God to do that which he knows how to do. But then who are we to question God? He gives and he takes. Dear Daddy Ogogo, return if possible, because I refuse to type otherwise. I guess heaven couldn't wait to have such a kind, loving, and caring human like you. This hurts deep, especially for those that have experienced your Starboy kindness." Tenidayo wrote, "Heartbroken is an understatement. This one weak me o, Oluwa o. Rest on my legendary Daddy Ogogo."
Iroyin lọ́kọ̀lọ́kọ̀ mi, àmì aláṣọ mi jọjọ. Ibi ọmọ sí lára mi, araba mi. Wọ́n tó mi jọjọ ṣùgbọ́n kí la fẹ́ bọ́ lọ́hùn wọn bá ṣe. Gbogbo àìsàn ló ṣe é wo lọ́ ń dọ́gbọ́n sí. Ìjọ bàbá ta lọ́jọ́ náà àwòrán pọ̀ sí ló fi ń jẹ́ lọ́hùn tó fi jí gbogbo ayé lọ. Ọlọ́run náà ké pè lójoojúmọ́. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí orúkọ Ọlọ́run ọba, òun ló ń jẹ́ mọ́ yàṣáù, a ṣe ìtọ́hùn. Àwọn ọlọ́run ọba bẹ̀rẹ̀ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ o, kúlù ṣe ìwà ní ìlàlá òwá ìwà ọ̀dọ́. Ikú kan ṣáàtì ó kọ́ ọ́ sílẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tó wá. Wọ́n lé ní ìtọ́sí òṣèlú ìdáyàwó. Ìjàpá àkọ́kọ́ ló fẹ́ ní ìkọlá. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ nìkan kọ́ sọ́ọ̀dì ìsìnkú ìpàdé wọn. Òfin sápá nìkan lórí sílẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tó bá kú. Ikú kan náà ni ó bá gbọ́. Tágbélé àyè ìṣèlú ìgbà tó àgbẹ̀ wọlé. Gbogbo wa ká kú lédè ọmọ sára méjì gbogbo. Ìwọ ìyá yòówó. Tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ ní sàárẹ̀ mọ́. Ní mo sì ní sàdúrà lọ́wọ́ kan lọ́jọ́ ti súnmọ́. Aláwọ̀ mi sílẹ̀ wá wà báyìí.
The Icon also wrote, "A true legend has gone home. Rest in peace, legend. Your impact, your talent, and the memories you gave us will live on forever. Rest well. Ogogo Omo Kolodo." Kunle Afod wrote, "Sati Sureo, we love you. God loves you more." Wole Arole wrote, "What a year for Nollywood. Lord, have mercy." Alaye to share Gogo action. Bobi Ogogo, thank you for the legacy. We will miss you. You made our childhood memorable. Love you, legend.
Omo, I never been sad for somebody death like this before for my life. I never been this sad. Actor Ogogo, legend, wey be say we go up watching this Ogogo action club. Ogogo, this man don't die today. I just see the news now. I say this man don't die. Ogogo, R.I.P. sir. May your soul rest in peace. Omo, this one pay me o.
Prevalent tó ní cancer stage 1 or stage 2, bóyá prostate cancer ní, breast cancer ní, colon cancer or whichever type of cancer, mo fẹ́ kọ́ yín ní nǹkan mẹ́rin kan tẹ́lẹ̀ sáré ṣe fún wọn almost immediately. Wọ́n ní stop treatment wọn, right, but ilé máa help wọn, ó dẹ̀ lè gbé wọn kúrò ní problem. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni pé ẹ jẹ́ kán lọ wá borax. Ẹni tí ó bá mọ ibi tó ń ta borax kó lọ sí Ọjọ́ta àbí kó pé àwọn tó máa ń ta chemical yẹn for cosmetic use. So borax yẹn kó pọ̀ díẹ̀ pẹ̀lú sodium bicarbonate. Ẹbu méjì sínú bathtub yín, ẹ da omi gbóná sí, kómi yẹn pọ̀ dáadáa, kẹ́ soak ara yín sínú ẹ̀, kómi yẹn máa lọ́wọ́rọ́ sódà kò ní bó ara yín. But ẹni tí ó bá ní bathtub, ẹni kó dà sínú ke 20 litre bí mẹ́rin, kó fomi omi tó lọ́wọ́rọ́ sí, kó wá fi omi yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀ kó fi wẹ̀. By the time tó bá máa fi lò tán, kíní yẹn á ti ṣiṣẹ́ wọnú ara ẹ̀. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe ni pé ẹnikẹ́ni yẹn lọ wá apricot seed. Ṣé apricot seed yẹn ó ní vitamin B17 nínú tó yẹ pé ó lágbára láti kojú àrùn jẹjẹrẹ tí wọ́n ń pè ní cancer. Apricot seed yẹn pẹ̀lú kí lórúkọ ẹ̀, síìdì pọ́pọ̀ dúdú, ìbẹ́pẹ dúdú, síìdì ẹ̀ tó ti gbẹ kó wá náà, kó fi ginger sí, kó dẹ̀ ra fi wá soursop náà tó ti gbẹ àbí powder soursop tó bá ní kó fi sí, pẹ̀lú dogoyaro níìmù gbígbẹ kó fi òun náà sí pẹ̀lú ginger. Tó bá ti wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pẹ̀lú walnut tó ń pè ní àsálà, kó hard àsálà yẹn náà sí, kó wá lọ gbogbo ẹ̀ kó di powder, kó gbé yẹn sẹ́gbẹ́ kan kó má ti lò. Then ó máa lọ wá kùkúmbà ńlá tó tóbi, kùkúmbà ńlá ẹyọ kan, á blend ẹ̀. Tó bá ti blend ẹ̀ tán, á fi omi sí o, á fi omi 1 litre sí. Tó bá ti wá blend ẹ̀ tán, ẹ dà sínú ke, ẹ wá sodium bicarbonate tó máa ń pè ní baking soda, ẹ bu teaspoon sodium bicarbonate kan, ẹ bù sínú ẹ̀, ẹ wá fún ọsàn lime tó máa ń pè ní ọsàn lemon tó máa ń pè ní ìjàgọ́yìn àbí gọ́ingọ́yìn, ẹ wá fún sínú ẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti wá fún sínú ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ó máa show àwọn reaction kan. So ẹ fẹ́ shift body yín sí alkaline level ni láti ṣe kíni, láti jẹ́ pé naturally kóhun náà fight kíni yìí. So ẹ máa bu 150 ml mixture tẹ́ ṣe yẹn. Ojoojúmọ́ lẹ máa ṣe mixture yẹn o, because 1 litre tẹ́ ṣe yẹn, it will take you like a day to drink. So tẹ́ bá bu 150 ml yẹn, ẹ bù báyìí, ẹ bu teaspoon powder tẹ́ ti ṣe yẹn, ẹ lò. After bí 5 hours, ẹ tún lọ bu another 150 ml pẹ̀lú teaspoon powder yẹn, ẹni yẹn á tún lò. Tó bá máa fi lò bẹ́ẹ̀ for like 4-5 days. Ẹni pé kó lọ tún scan àti biopsy ṣe fún àwọn tumor yẹn, ẹ rí pé tumor yẹn máa ti reduce. Ṣé you understand? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ share post yìí, ẹ comment síbẹ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ sọ fún wa ibi tẹ́ ti ń wò wá, ẹ kàn ṣe thank you lásán, ẹ ṣé gan. Ẹni tó bá dúpẹ́ orí àná, á tún rí mi gbà. Ní fàìsàn ló gbà, Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú gbogbo wa, ó dàbọ̀.
This emotional tribute wrote, "Daddy, my experience with you has been nothing short of amazing. Looking back at the years you spent on this earth and the incredible impact you made in my life, I can only say thank you. You were such a blessing to me. Your love, your support, encouragement, advice, and guidance impacted me in ways I may never be able to fully express. You contributed immensely to the person I am today, and your influence on my life will forever remain unforgettable. Even in my movie career, your advice and words of wisdom played a huge role in shaping my journey. There were moments when I needed direction, encouragement, or someone to believe in me, and you were always there. Your words pushed me forward and helped me get to where I am today. Daddy, I never imagined I would have to write a tribute to you this soon. It hurts deeply, knowing that I can no longer call you, hear your voice, sit with you, or receive those priceless words of advice from you. You were more than a mentor to me. You were a father, a supporter, a teacher, a man whose presence made difference in my life. I will forever cherish the memories, lessons, conversations, laughter, and every moment we shared. Thank you for everything, Daddy. Thank you for believing in me." Okay, this is really sad. I really do not know what to even say at the moment. Right now, Ogogo's body is being taken to Ogun State for burial as a Muslim rights demand, and it's really sad. I'll keep you guys updated as more and more reactions pour out from social media.
Ogogo amakulodo. Àwọn tó jẹ́ kí childhood wá dùn rè. Ikú ose amogogo nle la itojo 66 years. Ogogo lásìkò ìgbà tó yẹ kó máa jẹun ọmọ. Ikú ó dájú, ikú ó ṣe yìí tán. Ikú KILODE. A fún ọ lóbì ọgbà, fún ọ lẹ́ran ọgbà, fún ọ lówó ọgbà. Àgbà tó mogogo wa lọ, Táíwò Àsánì, àsàn pọ̀ bí Ogogo, ta ni ọmọ bá. Àsàn pọ̀ pa. Àwọn tó jẹ́ gbèsè ayé wa dùn kékeré rè. Ogogo, bá ń jẹ kòlókó bá ń fi sára. Bá ń jẹ rẹsì kó fi sára lọ́rùn Àsànté. Kí ìyá mi kó tó kí ìyá mi Àmọ̀kẹ́. Ogogo amakulodo. Gbogbo nǹkan tó rí ṣe láyé tí wọ́n jẹ́ wọ 70 ó jẹ́ ayé tó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lọ́run. Bá ṣe ń ṣe láyé náà ṣe ń ṣe lọ́run. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin abí Ogogo ẹ fọwọ́ wọ́nú, rest in peace.
Ikú Ogogo dùn mí o, guys. Ikú Ogogo dùn mí o. Ikú Ogogo dùn mí o. Now that the way the children they do, now that one go like, now that thing go they make me they, now that video go they make me they feel emotional. I'm still finding it so difficult to believe. Finding it so difficult.
What's her relation to you?
No, that is my sister. Tell her that they should buy my ticket so that I can go home. I want to go and see my daddy before he gets buried. Please.
Can you sit down?
No, I don't want to sit down. Please.
Ikú Ogogo dùn mí o. I've never felt this emotional for somebody before, but this one, Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Ọ̀dọ̀ láti wá, ọ̀dọ̀ láti máa padà sí.
Senator Yayi, who actively sponsored the treatment of Ogogo, reacted to the sudden demise of the actor and said, "I am greatly saddened by the death of a brother who believed and worked assiduously for my cause and the cause of our people. I sympathize with his immediate family for their efforts and struggles to keep the dearly departed alive following his illness. God knows best in all circumstances." He said the actor's contribution to the drive for a better society through filmmaking and other positive advocacy will always be remembered, adding that he left a legacy worth of emulation. The senator also promised to continue supporting the immediate family in their adding that the family's patriarchy would not be forgotten. Adeola prayed for the peaceful repose of the soul of the thespian and for the immediate family to have the fortitude to bear the loss.
$1 for every time someone has ever told me that you look like Ogogo, you look like Ogogo. Although I don't see the resemblance myself, but people always say that a lot. And if I get $1 for every time someone says that, I think I'll be rich by now. And I pray that his soul rest in peace. What is the point of this whole life, safe? Cancer, this, sickness, kidney problem, this and that and that and that. Like, why? Why do we have to be sick, and why? Why can't